Ang next video natin ngayon ay kung paano kumita sa Peso Wi-Fi Vendo. Okay, tara. Una, kailangan may internet connection ka para mapagana natin ang Peso Wi-Fi Vendo. Kailangan mataas din ang Mbps niya. Kung maaari hanggang 18 Mbps.
Notice that the bottom numbers or the denominators are different. So we can say that 2/11, 6/15, 7/4, and 9/2 are dissimilar or unlike fractions.
Because ito ang aming
Similar fractions or
Peso
unlike fractions.
Wi-Fi
These are groups of
Vendo.
fractions with different denominators.
Ayan, meron nag-answer ng kanyang module.
Let's also learn about reducing fractions to lowest terms, because the answers to all operations involving fractions must be reduced to its lowest terms when necessary. What is lowest term? Fractions are in lowest term if the numerator and denominator have no other common factor except 1. If the numerator and denominator are consecutive numbers, and if fraction is a unit fraction. To reduce fractions in lowest term, we divide the numerator and the denominator by their GCF. Let's have some examples. Reduce the fractions to lowest term. The given fraction is 4/16. To reduce 4/16 in lowest term, we need to divide the numerator and the denominator by their GCF. Try to apply what you have learned in finding the GCF. So the root
Guys, yan ang antena ng Wi-Fi para medyo malayo ang mararating ng bato ng signal. Ayan.
5x plus 2 and 3 are mixed fractions because they have different denominators or numbers.
Kailangan merong uupuan ng mga magko-connect sa Peso Wi-Fi. Ito, merong upuan para at least kahit na malayo doon sa Vendo, masasagap dahil sa malakas nga ang signal. At syempre, meron din tarpaulin na makikita ng mga magko-connect na meron kayong Vendo. Ayan. Dahil malayo ang nararating ng ating Vendo, hanggang doon. Ayun, sa may nakaupo na yun, nakakonect pa rin sila sa Vendo. So kahit na hindi na sila lumapit dito, makakonect na sila as long as may naihulog na silang coin doon. Ngayon, kung kulang pa na mauubos na yung load nila, babalik sila dito at maghuhulog uli ng peso. By the way guys, ang 1 peso, magagamit mo na sila ng 18 minutes. Sa madaling salita, pag naghulog ka ng 5 piso, isang oras kalahati mo na siyang gagamitin. O diba? Matipid. Kaya mahalaga, nakatulong ka na at the same time, kumita ka pa. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang ating video. See you sa next mga videos na i-upload ko. Pero bago yun, please like and subscribe sa my YouTube channel para updated kayo. Okay guys. Bye bye.